Hello everyone. Today my lecture class is on mathematical logic. Logic is the study of principles and techniques of reasoning. It is originated with the ancient Greeks led by the philosopher Aristotle, who is often called the father of logic. Logic plays a central role in the development of every area of learning, especially in mathematics and computer science. To understand mathematics, we must understand what makes up a correct mathematical argument. Proposition. A proposition is a declarative sentence that is either true or false but not both. Example, milk is white. In this example, we know that milk is white is a true statement, so it is a proposition. Another example for the proposition is 25 is a prime number. Truth value of a proposition. Proposition is always true or false. The truthfulness or falsity of a proposition is called its truth value. If the proposition is true, then its truth value true is designated by the symbol T. If the proposition is false, then its truth value false is designated by the symbol F. The area of logic that deals with the proposition is called propositional logic. Simple propositions. Any proposition whose truth value does not explicitly depends on another proposition is said to be simple proposition. Example, the set of real number is a finite set. Compound propositions. A proposition formed by combining two or more simple propositions is said to be compound proposition. Example, today is Friday or it is raining today. In this example, today is Friday is a simple proposition. It is raining today is also a simple proposition. These two simple propositions are joined by a connective OR. So this is an example for the compound proposition. Next, logical operators. These four are the logical operators: conjunction, distinction, exclusive OR and negation. Conjunction. Let P and Q be two propositions. The conjunction of P and Q denoted by P inverted V Q is the compound proposition P and Q. Example, let P be the proposition the earth is round and Q be the proposition the sun is cold. Conjunction of P and Q is the proposition the earth is round and the sun is cold. This is the truth table for the conjunction of P and Q. P and Q is true if both propositions are true and is false if at least one of the proposition is false. Distinction. Let P and Q be two propositions. The distinction of P and Q denoted by P, V, Q and is the compound proposition P or Q. Example, let P be the proposition the earth is round and Q be the proposition the sun is cold. Then, the distinction of P and Q is the proposition the earth is round or the sun is cold. This is the truth table for the distinction of P and Q. P or Q is true if at least one proposition is true and is false if both propositions are false. Exclusive OR. Let P and Q be two propositions. The exclusive OR of P and Q is denoted by the symbol is the compound proposition P or Q but not both. This is the truth table for the exclusive OR of P and Q. The exclusive OR of two propositions is true if exactly one proposition is true and is false if both propositions are true or false. Negation. Let P be a proposition. The negation of P denoted by the symbol is the proposition. It is not the case that P. Example, let P be the proposition all primes are odd numbers. The negation of P is the proposition. It is not the case that all primes are odd numbers. This is the truth table for the negation of P. If P has truth value T, then negation P has truth value F. And if P has truth value F, then negation P has truth value T. Conditional statements. Two prepositions P and Q can be combined to form a compound preposition of the form if P then Q. Such a preposition is a conditional statement denoted by P implies Q. And also the conditional statement is also known as implication. In this conditional statement P implies Q, P is called the premise and Q is called the conclusion. Example, let P be the preposition Deepthi learns discrete mathematics and Q be the preposition Deepthi will find a good job. Conditional statement P implies Q is if Deepthi learns discrete mathematics then she will find a good job. This is the truth table for the conditional statement P implies Q. In this truth table, P implies Q is true when both P and Q are true and when P is false. Converse, inverse and contrapositive. The converse of the conditional statement P implies Q is Q implies P. The inverse of the conditional statement P implies Q is negation P implies negation Q. The contrapositive of the conditional statement P implies Q is negation Q implies negation P. This is the truth table for the converse of P implies Q. This is the truth table for the inverse and contrapositive of P implies Q. Biconditional statement. Let P and Q be two prepositions. The compound preposition P if and only if Q is called biconditional statement denoted by P if and only if Q. It is clear that biconditional statement P if and only if Q is the conjunction of two compound conditional statement P implies Q and Q implies P. This is the truth table for the biconditional statement P if and only if Q. Logic and bit operations. We know that computer represents information using bits. A bit is a symbol with two possible values 0 and 1. 1 bit 2 represents the true value T and 0 bit 2 represents the false value F. A variable is called Boolean variable. A computer notation OR, AND XOR for the operations in the case of logical AND, OR and XOR. This is a truth table for OR, AND XOR. Conclusion. To learn mathematical logic, we must identify whether the given mathematical argument is true or false. A computer scientist makes use of logic to develop programming languages and to establish the correctness and validity of programs. Electronic engineers incorporate logic within the design of computer chips. Hope you all understood what I discussed today. Thank you.